On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without investing any money and without any experience. This method is one of the best because I'm going to show you a highly targeted traffic source in the United Kingdom where you can get people who have the purchasing power to buy the products that you are going to be promoting. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. Before we get into the details, let me update my details so that you can see. So let me click on updates. As you can see, everything has been updated. Now the first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. You can join Digistore24, you can join Warrior Plus, you can join ClickBank, you can join Max Bounty, or any affiliate network that you want, you can join. In this case, we are using Digistore24. Digistore24 is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for Digistore24. Once you search for it, you can be able to create an account and then find products that you can promote to make money from home. Once you create your account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on the Marketplace, you are going to find a whole lot of different products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see right here, product categories. There are a lot of different categories of products that you can promote on this platform. When you click on digital products, you can see a whole lot of different categories of products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. Any of the categories that you want, you can click on it and then find an available offer that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different categories. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see, if you don't want to select the products based on categories, you can also sort them based on factors like popularity, cart conversion rate. For example, if you come right here, you can see popularities. All these products that you are seeing, they are the popular products on this platform. If you want, you can also click right here and then sort the products based on yearning per sale, yearning per cart vista, publication date, cart conversion rate, and the rest. Any of the factors that you want, you can sort the products so that you can find the best offer that you want. In this case, I'm going to leave it with the popularity. Once that is done, the next step is that I want to select the specific category that I want to promote the product. So I'm going to be promoting a digital product. So click right here. Once you click on it, you have to select the specific category that you want. So let's go down. In this case, I want to promote a product under the home and garden. You can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to strip it like this. As you can see, these are all products under the home and garden that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote. Select the one that you want and then promote it so that you can get people to purchase it for you to make money. You can select the one that has the highest cart conversion rate, or you can select the one that has the highest commission rate. Any of them that you want, you can just select it and then promote. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select the product that has a high commission rate. So let's scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this product. It has the highest commission rate. You can see you are going to be earning $156.32 per every sale that you get. You can see it right here. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on it so that you can be able to see what the product is about. So click on it right here. Once you click on it, you can see a whole lot of different information about the product. You can see the product description, you can see the price, and many other information. So all that you need to do is that you have to take the time and then read the product description so that you can understand it better. If you also want, you can click right here, sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you'll be able to see the landing page of the product before you promote it. You can also click on the affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you will get resources that the product owner has for you, which you can use to promote the product. In this case, I don't need affiliate support page. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on the sales page so that I can see what the product is about. Once you click on the sales page, you can see this is the landing page of the product. You can see all the information. So what you need to do is that you have to read. Make sure you read so that you can understand what the product is about before you promote it to others. This page is the first page that your potential visitors are going to see. So you must understand what the product is about so that you can be able to promote it well and then get the right people to purchase the product for you to make money. You can see these are customer reviews. You can see a whole lot of different information about the product. Now once you have seen the landing page, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. You have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to earn $156.32. There are many traffic sources that you can use. There are paid traffic sources. There are also free traffic sources that you can use. In this case, I'm going to show you a high quality free traffic source that you can use to get people to purchase the product for you to earn money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is freeas.co.uk. Freeas.co.uk is one of the best websites where you can promote an offer and then get people who live in the United Kingdom to purchase it for you to make money. There are many classified websites where you can find people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. Freeas.co.uk is one of the best, so make sure you post an ad on this platform so that you can get people who live in the United Kingdom to purchase the product for you to make money. To post an ad, you need to create an account, so just click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you can be able to create a free account. Once you create your free account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post a free ad. Once you click on post a free ad, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the category of the ad that you want to post. In this case, we have an item for sale, so click right here, for sale. Once you click on for sale, the next step is that you have to select the specific category. So you have to come right here and then select the specific category. You can see home and garden. Click on it. Once you click on home and garden, the next step is that you have to select the specific home and garden items. You can see they have beds, bedroom furniture, dining and living room furniture, and the rest. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are going to select this option right here, so click on it. Once you click on it, you have to select one of these so that you can post your ad. Select the one that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the perfect one. In this case, we are going to select gardening, so select that option. Once you select it, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to give a title to your ad. So you need to type a catchy title that will get people to click on your ad and then purchase the product. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy the name of the product and then post it as my title. So you have to come back on Teespring. Once you come back on Teespring, you can see this is the name of the product. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to paste the description right here. So come back on Teespring. Once you come back on Teespring, highlight and copy the description of the product. Highlight and copy everything. Highlight and copy the description. Once you highlight and copy the description, you have to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the price. So when you come back on Teespring, you can see this is the price, $521.08. So you have to enter the same price right here. You can see the price is in pounds, so just reduce it. You can type something like 500 pounds. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see location. What you have to do is that you have to enter a location right here. So open a new tab. Once you open a new tab, search for UK postcode. Once you search for it, you can see a lot of different postcodes in the United Kingdom. Select the one that you want so that you can use it in your ad. For example, if you want, you can select this one right here. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can copy the code. So highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, come back. Once you come back on your ad, click on edit location. Once that is done, you have to paste the location right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on update. As you can see, this is the location. Now once you have entered the details, the next step is that you have to click right here, continue. Once you click on continue, you have to upload images of the product that you are promoting. So you can go on Google and then search for images of the product. So let's come on Google, open a new tab. Once you open a new tab, you can highlight and copy the name of the product. Once you highlight and copy it, you have to come back, paste it right here. Once that is done, click on search so that you can search for images of the product. Once you click on search, you're going to see a page like this. Click on images. Once you click on images, you can see images of the product. Right click on any of them and then select save images. Once that is done, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once the image is saved, select another image. Once you select it, click on save images. Once that is done, click on save. Once that is done, you can select another image, right click on it, select save images. Once that is done, click on save. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to click right here, add photo. So click on it so that you can upload the images that you downloaded. So select the 3 images, select them. Once you select them, click on open. As you can see, the images have been uploaded. You can see the images have been uploaded. Once you upload the images, if you have a YouTube video, you can click right here and then add a link. In this case, we don't have any YouTube video, so just leave it and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to see things like this. So you can see boost your ad. Just click on skip. Once that is done, click on skip. Once that is done, you just close it. Once you close it, you can see your ad is live. You can see it right here. Your ad is live, but you don't have your affiliate link in the ad. Now what you have to do is that you have to edit the ad so that you can insert your affiliate link. To edit the ad, click right here, edit. Once you click on edit, you're going to see a page like this. Now scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down to the button, you see an option that requires you to paste your affiliate link. You can see add a website address. This is where you have to paste your affiliate link. So come back on Degrees 224. Once you come back on Degrees 224, click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you insert your affiliate link, the next step is that you have to click right here, save ad. Once you click on it, your ad is going to be live on the platform. You can see your ad is live on the platform. If you want, you can upgrade your ad by paying £1.99. So once you pay, your ad is going to be boosted. If you don't have money, you don't need to upgrade. Just leave it so that you can get sales. Once you get a sales, you can be able to then upgrade to the premium version. So let's click on skip so that we can see our ad. Once you click on skip, you can see your ad is live. Right now you have 0 because you have just posted the ad onto the platform. You can see it right here. Anytime you want to edit your ad, you can click right here, edit. If you want to delete it, you can delete it right here. So now the trick is that you have to post as many ads as you can onto the platform so that you can get people to purchase the product that you are promoting for you to make money from home without investing anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.